So you have a network marketing business that you want to grow, but you also have a life filled with family, friends, and you're like millions of people who have a career and a spouse and children, but you're having a difficult time juggling all of these things. So how the heck do you effectively manage your time if you have so much stuff going on? Well, I'm going to tell you how I do it. So in this video, I'm going to give you some network marketing tips on how to manage your time wisely and not waste most of it on things that won't grow your business, so stick around. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Tamil, and if this is your first time here, then welcome to my channel. I create videos weekly helping inspiring entrepreneurs to start and grow a profitable online business. So if you're working a full-time job and you want to learn how to make money online, but you're not sure how to get started or what to do, then the content that I create here is definitely for you. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my future episodes. You get up before everyone else in the morning, you're headed off to work. You have maybe an average work schedule of about 10 to 12 hours a day, so you work long hours. And you get home in the evenings and you're cooking dinner, you're going to eat with the family. No wonder you're procrastinating about your business by now. And then you say, okay, well, I'm going to push my business off to the weekend, but then you forget like, oh man, I have to work on Saturday, and you only have a couple hours a day to work on your business. So what do? Well, that sounds like a pretty heavy work week, right? Well, that's actually my schedule. And I don't know what your schedule is like, but if it's like that, then let me give you a couple of tips for managing your time for your network marketing business. Now, my time management tip number one is to focus on income producing activities. So how do you manage your time effectively focusing on income producing activities? Well, what you want to do is you want to focus 80% of your time on things such as inviting people to maybe the Wednesday night coaching call, or sending presentation videos to new prospects, or maybe, calling new leads. You want to leave the other 20% for designing business cards, setting up your blog, posting links to your network marketing business on social media. These type of activities, they do not turn a profit soon. And when I talk to people who are building their network marketing business, they tell me that, that they're setting up their blog, or they're, working on their LLC, and all of that type of stuff is great, but it's not what you need to be doing right now. That's what we call doing busy work. And what it is that, is work that's not really getting you closer to your goal. If you're working on your business face to face, then inviting people to a presentation is a good thing. One of the things you can do is either your business partners can do it or either you can do it. Either way, in a network marketing business, you should be spending time in areas that will get you either a new customer or a new business partner in the next 48 hours. So think about, what you should be doing. Talking to people every single day should be at the very top of your activity list. That's income producing. So let's say that you meet someone on social media who is interested in what you're selling because of something that you posted. So tell me, what's the next step? What do? What's the next step? You should be connecting with that person on the phone. I don't care if it's on Skype, but you should be trying to have some sort of conversation with someone. But either way, however you do it, you just need to be able to talk to people each day. So that leads me to my time management number two tip. Network marketing on purpose. You should be consistently putting people into your pipeline because it's called networking or network marketing for a reason. You have to purposely meet new people consistently. Just like I record videos on a consistent basis for this channel, you have to ask yourself, how much time can I give in the morning? Or maybe 1 or 2 hours in the afternoon. You need to find the time available to where you can, connect with people during the day. I don't care, even if you do it on your lunch break, you can talk to people on your lunch break, follow up with people on your lunch break. People find it hard to go out and meet people while having an extremely busy life. So I encourage you, to turn to social media to build connections as well. For me, I'm always making connections, at least 1 to 2 new people a day I always meet online. And, I'm checking out local business groups. And another thing is, I created a video that's called Where to Find the Best Targeted Free MLM Leads. So check that out right here. It's giving the hottest 3 places to find MLM leads. You can find leads everywhere, but because I have an online business, I typically work my business online. So that is something that you're interested in doing, then you want to definitely check out, all of my other videos that I have, because I give a lot of good tips on building your business online. So let's get back to the activities that will save you time and get the most out of your business and to help you grow your business. And that could be, follow-up calls. And like the saying goes, the fortune is in the follow-up. And many people try to avoid wanting to talk to people. So it takes me back to this question of how do you effectively manage your time in network marketing? Well, that'll lead me to time management tip number 3, which is to put the most effective activities on the calendar. That is, put the harder activities at the top of the calendar and do those activities first, and leave the smaller ones behind, or leave them at the very end. Don't rely on your brain to try to remember everything, because you won't. Because a common way to waste time is to not have an action plan. So on your calendar of activities, don't put things like design a blog or design, edit your business cards. This is not a great way to effectively use your time. And all of these activities, they'll have you thinking that you're using your time effectively when, like I said, it's busy work. It's not leading to, you growing your business, and it's not leading to you making a sale. It's not leading to you, adding business partners to your new team. For me, I use a calendar in my business, and I prefer a calendar over a to-do list or, having a journal, because I can visually lay everything out. I can see everything laid out in front of me, and I can look at the entire month as a whole and make changes. So you can easily purchase that anywhere, and you should, block out a specific amount of time that you have available each week. And, maybe it's a maximum of, 2 hours a day, but it should be income producing activities. And I say this all the time, that I create videos for inspiring entrepreneurs who are currently, working long 10, 12 hours a day, and they want to start an online business. So you can definitely do this type of stuff part-time, whether it's an hour or 2 hours a day out of your schedule. You can focus on income producing activities. And I know it's tough, because this is where most people fail. This is where the rubber meets the road. People never really get into action mode. And it's important that you do both and to get most out of your day. So make sure that you, organize your daily activities with a calendar so that you can see everything laid out. Put it in the bathroom if you have to. You're definitely going to go in the bathroom, so put it there. Okay, so let's recap. You can manage your time effectively only by focusing on income producing activities within the hours that you set for that day. And you should also put those activities on a calendar. Now, if you want to learn more about how to manage your time as an entrepreneur, then be sure to check out my other videos that I have here. Don't forget that, this is a series. So definitely come back to my channel so that you can get more training just like this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. I hope you can take some of this information and go apply it to your business today. Make sure that you should be doing productive work, income producing activities, activities that's going to lead you to growing your business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments section below. But until next time, I will see you on the next video.